How to rejoin a Telegram group that you have left. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily rejoin any Telegram group that you've left. So the first thing you're going to have to do is find the group. So if you have accidentally deleted your group or deleted the chat, you will get a 5 second to undo it and recover your chat. But if you have deleted your group, so if you just go ahead and tap on the group and then tap on it to delete and leave group if you're the admin, or if you're on someone else's group like this one, you should be able to leave the group from here. Then in that case, what you're going to have to do is, if it's a private group, you're going to have to ask the owner of the group. So you basically have to message them and simply ask them to invite you again. So if I just go ahead here and then tap on the person's name, I can just go ahead and message them. So I can just tap on this and tap on the chat button, and you can just basically ask them to please add me to the group and send the message. They'll most probably see the message and then add you back on the group. But if it's a public group, then you can simply go ahead and search for group right here. Search for the name of the group, and you should be able to join the group from here. Additionally, you can go ahead and search TGStat on Google Chrome. Go ahead and simply search for TGStat. Click on the first link that you see, and then from there you should be able to search for the name of the group and you can find it here. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.